We have 2 thumbs up. That means driver is hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And away we go. The King Mongkut University's team robot rolling out, aligning, shooting very accurately. They're deliberate but accurate. That's been their strategy. 19938, hoovering up some artifacts, controlling them. 1, 2, 3, landed. Purple bounced out, so they're going to go back in to get fed again from the red loading zone. 23667, firing a few afar. Meanwhile, Iron Nest, their low-slung robot.
Pick up your controllers.
All robots have moved. Red Alliance getting a cheering squad set up with Nano Ninjas.
1.
And away we go. Iron Nest picking up a couple of artifacts. Lining up, they got purple, purple, green. Purple landed, purple missed, green landed. Good, there's a purple, purple, green lineup in the classifier though. Let's see how that works for them. 23667 lining up for red. Shooting. The Nano Ninjas getting a couple of points in. The Thai team, next 8 gears, coming in, getting their robot loaded. It's a very compact, rugged-looking orange robot there. If you see it on the field, that's the one that's scoring well from afar. Their long-range algorithm seems to be really good and dialed in. 23667, the Nano Ninjas coming in from a little bit closer, maintaining good pace and the accuracy. The blue team's human loader getting out of the way off the red robot, not causing interference. Iron Nest coming in to pick up artifacts. They've got green, purple, purple. Let's see how they do. 1 green in, 1 purple in, 1 green in. 3 for 3. That was very nice and accurate. They pick up extra robots. Purple, purple, 3 purples. Let's see if they can land them. Red Alliance, meanwhile, pulling back. 23667, the Nano Ninjas coming again. Shooting 3, landing 1. That classifier is full. They will hoover up more robots. So far, Blue Alliance ahead on points. The Knights of the Ping Pong Table doing a good job feeding their robot. That's going to be shooting from afar, landing 1 out of 3. Blue's classifier ramp's got about 4 artifacts in it. The pace seems to be better on red. They are still pretty close, 150 to about 130, with 20 seconds to go coming into the end game. Knights of the Ping Pong Table feeding their robot again. That's also shooting long, missing 3 out of 3 there. Blue robots colliding. Iron Nest lining up for a shot. They will pop an artifact in. No, they will not before they come into park. Will.
The Red Alliance takes the victory
is the winner.
with a score of 206 to 172. The Red Alliance takes match number 84. 4 ranking points means upward motion for all teams on red. No ranking points on blue will mean downward motion.